Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open Word, you see the Copilot button, but it's grayed out, unclickable, continue, because you have the license. You are signed into the right account, but Copilot refuses to activate. The grayed out Copilot button means the app recognizes you have the feature, but something is blocking it from becoming active. This is usually a licensing or privacy issue. Copilot won't work unless your account has the correct entitlement and all connected experiences are enabled. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix it. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, you want to understand the baseline requirements. Copilot in Office desktop apps requires a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription for home users, or Microsoft 365 business/enterprise plan with Copilot assigned for business users. The same account signed into the apps must be licensed account. Apps must be fully updated. Connected experience must be enabled. If any of these are missing, the button will be grayed out. Then, confirm the correct account and license. The most common cause of a grayed out Copilot button is that you are signed into the basically wrong account. Open Word and look at the account shown in the top right corner. The account must be the one with the Copilot license. If a different account is shown, sign out and sign in with the correct one. For new or local files, the current primary account must be the licensed one. If the account shown is a business or school account, contact your IT admin to confirm you have assigned a Copilot license. Then all you're gonna do is actually refresh your license and enable connected experiences. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.